First thing we're going to do is to set the app font to Fira Sans. If we go to our layout page, we can see that Next.js starts with the Inter font, which is a Google font. Lucky for us, Fira Sans is also a Google font, so we can use the next/font/Google package here. All we need to do is change this Inter to Fira Sans. And we need to rename this to Fira Sans as well. We'll update that. We'll keep the subset as Latin. And you'll see that it expects us to pass in weights that we want. If you switch back to the design, clicking around, we can see the various weights that the designer has specified. It looks like all these title ones are 500 and the default body style is 400. And the bold font is 500 again. So it looks like we only need 400 and 500. Switching back, we will set that here in an array, 400 and 500. And that's it for switching our font to Fira Sans. And next we're going to set the background and foreground colors of the app. If we go into the global.css file that Next.js starts with, let's just delete everything here. We'll delete the preferred color scheme and we'll delete everything inside body as well. We'll take a look at the design now and see that the default background color is and the foreground color is display white 72, which is white at 72% opacity. Okay, so we'll do dash background 100, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's black, and foreground 72, which is this RGBA color here. And now we can use those variables in our body. Background 100 and color is var dash foreground 72. Now we'll set the default font style for the app. So switching back to the design, we can take a look here and see that the default style here is 16 pixels, 400 and 140% line height. So we can just copy that and go back in here and paste those in. Just quickly align that. We don't need to set the font again. Font size, we're going to use rems. We don't need to specify normal because that's the default. Line height and later spacing, let's convert that into rem as well. That's 0.02 rem. Okay, and that is our default style. If we take a look at the app in our browser, we should see our new font styles here. It doesn't look very good because the content wasn't designed for our styles, but we can quickly change that. If we go into app page and let's just change everything in here and just give it a div, hello, some content. And we can see that our default styles are applied here.